It is Friday, July the 18th. We're here at Friday again. Weekend right upon us.
It's been a interesting week in the market with news and pressure. Everything from quarterly earnings coming in,
Which have been good for the
which have
most
been
part.
good. Technology again showing strong.
So financials also. A lot of good financials from the multi.
It's continued to influence the market, and this week's discussion went from firing Jay Powell to no, it's not going to happen, but it had influence pushing up and down the stock market.
Yeah, and a lot of, or two of the better known Fed presidents have also sided with Trump and said we need to start lowering rates now in July.
Inflation numbers came out, and it was up a little on one side and down a little on the other side. So it was, I won't say a neutral, but it was a non-effective, a non-influential inflation numbers that came out.
And housing starts were up 4% this past week over week. So there's it's not really a mixed bag. Most of what we're seeing is good news. But there's still a lot of apprehension out there. We still have the big T word being used a lot with tariffs, so that continues to have its own effect on markets.
I think one of the biggest things that is surfacing is just the discussion that happens about this time each and every summer. You get to looking into the fall and you begin to hear discussion about spending, back to school spending, holiday spending, Christmas spending. That's all going to dictate how the market will end this year. I would tell you overall expectations is that the market will be up, but there is talk that, hey, historically in September or October, we might see a decline, and if we do, that is a normal event that has historically happened.
Remember,
so don't freak out.
We're at all-time highs on the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, so it would be not necessarily a bad thing to see a little pruning going on. So I think it may be a little healthy for markets.
We continue to slowly add for those clients that are comfortable with it and are looking into the year, into next year. A bit to the equity weighting, but we still are driving down the fairway with, we feel, comfort level for those that are comfortable with it, with no less in the 40 somethings in equities to up to 65, 70 level in equities. So there's the fairway that we're playing in. If you have any questions, if you'd like to talk with us, if you'd like to visit with us, if you know some folks we ought to be talking with, we're meeting new people all the time, just reach out to us and we'll do it. Give us a call. We'll be glad to get with you the best way as possible.
So have a great weekend, everyone, and always remember, it is your money.
And your money matters. See you next week.